Welcome everyone back to Allsparks Review right here on YouTube. My name is Will, and today I'm going to be looking at another Optimus Prime from Transformers Prime. I'm going to be looking at this one. This is one of the ones that everybody seemed to like. This Optimus Prime, I think it was a leader class. I can't remember the class this leader or Voyager. It's been that long. It has a special meaning to me, and there's a reason, and you probably guessed with the thumbnail. Now, last week we done the first edition deluxe Optimus Prime, which came from San Diego Comic Con. This one, there's a little trick to it. As you can see, I've got the black version as well, and this is the first edition Optimus Prime for Transformers Prime, except it is Nemesis Prime colours. This is one of the ones where, like I said, I'm going to keep as a little celebration. So if you like to see this one, get open, get reviewed, by all means, do what everybody always does. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, support, everything. That has been fantastic, folks. If we can get a good number of subs, if we can hit that 100 subs, that is something I would love to share with you guys. Also, be sure to check out the description box below for everything from filming and social media to going on my Patreon, which will help support Allsparks Reviews. And you can also go to the merch store, which has the Allsparks t-shirts. Now, let's get him transformed and check him out. And here he is, folks, Optimus Prime transformed. Doing quite a bit of Optimus Primes on the channel just now, but he seems to be like the more popular opinion when it comes to the Transformers, like toys at least anyhow, and some of the variations you can get. The Transformers Prime, Optimus Prime, is one of the ones I really do enjoy. And it is just the transformation mode I actually really enjoy as well. It's very similar to the Energon Optimus Prime, the way like the arms set back here, everything's enclosed in, and it just looks really neat and tidy. So, transformation, let's get the gun took off. Now, basically, the legs have not really got much transformation. Everything is worked in this cabin section. So, we can easily just take the legs and move them up and just free everything. So, basically, like the other one, Prime is just walking like so. Keeping Prime up like this makes this transformation actually quite easy, because as you can see, there's the chest, so everything's got to come round to the front. So first off, let's get that hood up and just unpeg everything you can. So you're basically just looking like that, okay? With everything up like that, you've got to come back to this part, okay, and unpeg at the side. Now these parts will fold in on themselves, and you just lift, exposing actually everything that this Prime has got. And it's the easiest way to do it, because there you go, there's everything that's hiding Prime. You can just pull these parts out like so and flip them down. Bringing this up, you can see where his head is, and you've basically got a rough idea where everything's going to hide. So let's get this into place. You come round to the back here and just untab, flip up, untab, flip up. As soon as you've got that done, just move everything, this section, down so it's nice and neat and folded away, so you've got this shape. And this will also allow you to bring this up and slot in to the back. Give it a good wee squeeze there, bring these in and turn them round. So there you've got the exhausts. Come back round here, now it's just tidying Prime up basically, so you can get the arms, everything in. So then he's finishing for the transformation. I'll bring up the head by this point. There's Optimus Prime right there. And the way this works is actually quite easy, because it actually connects everything in one go. So even though he looks hard to transform, he's actually one of the easiest. And doing that and just clipping that together, voila, you have Optimus Prime from Transformers Prime. Plus you've got a little action thing. Move his hand out the road, press this button, and turrets pop out, and you can easily bring back down as well by the switch of the button, which I cannot find with my thumb. There, it's there. So there we have Optimus Prime. Let's put the blaster back in. And like I said at the start of the video, just to give you a little look-see, because we've done first edition Prime last week, that is roughly the height of this Prime. So you can tell this Prime, this first edition black one, hasn't got like the turrets you see at the side. When it comes to the Transformers Prime, I do have a few rare ones that maybe not a lot of people do have. This I've hardly seen, and I'm quite thankful I've got this one. This one is sealed. I would be willing to open this for the state of a video, to share it with you all. I've also got Gurgen Dragotron, which is basically Predaking Red, and that is obviously Transformers Go. So I've got that sealed. So I've got a lot of the Transformers Prime and Beast Hunter stuff that I've managed to collect through the years and really enjoy. And like to share it with you would be amazing. So this could be another one that's a big, like 100 subs, 150 subs, never know. So let's take it away and bring him in for the final shot. Optimus Prime from Transformers Prime. As always guys, thank you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Allsparks Reviews, and now you can follow Allsparks Reviews on Twitter at AllsparkYT. And of course you can follow myself on Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just type that in the search engine at the top. Also a massive thank you once again to Cybertronic Spree for their amazing track Cybertronic Warrior. I really do hope you guys check them out and give them much support and much love. One of the most fantastic bands I've ever heard and do amazing covers. So please check them out right here on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. And as always guys, till all are one.